Raumplus was founded in Bremen, Germany in 1986 as a top furniture brand in Europe. Raumplus wardrobes, system cabinets, and sliding doors are recognized all over the world. Raumplus entered China in 2009 and currently has over 1,000 showrooms in more than 70 countries. Raumplus now has manufacturing bases in USA, Poland, and China. In 2019, Raumplus China's #2 production base was completed. HOMAG China provides us with its production and software systems. It has full automatic, flexible, customized production line and full process information manufacturing systems. In 2021, the joint project between the top Germany manufacturers, Nobilia and Raumplus, its Asia-Pacific production and R&D headquarters, was officially kicked off in Wuxi. This project occupies around 300 acres and will invest $200 million. HOMAG will support us with the most modern digital intelligent manufacturing systems for the entire value chain. In the future, Raumplus China will always follow the German workmanship and utilize Bauhaus design concept to enrich its new high-class families and commercial customers.
HOMAG can provide us a full set of customized production line service, not only in regards of machine technology, but also with an overall software system that delivers the right information to utilize our factory most efficiently. Based on our long-term partnership with HOMAG, we are confident that we will successfully grow together into a bright future.
Raumplus Taicang plant and the Asia Pacific production R&D headquarters are equipped with the first customized and intelligent production line in the world, including the high-end equipment imported from HOMAG, as well as the MIS system connected all modules. It is fully connected 4.0 plant in the concept of smart manufacturing. The interaction through the digitalized production improved significantly, improved the efficiency, while guaranteed the accuracy, stability, and shortened the lead time. The journey of cooperation between Raumplus and HOMAG in China started in 2017. In 2018, Raumplus China expanded its Taicang plant, and in following year, Raumplus Taicang plant was put into production. Till 2021, Raumplus R&D Center in Asia Pacific was launched with the participation of HOMAG China and Schuler Consulting. Thanks to the integrated solutions of HOMAG, as well as its team with expertise, Raumplus has successfully made achievements on digitalization and smart manufacturing.
HOMAG China and Raumplus have a close cooperation for many years, starting with its expansion of its Taicang production base up to the launching of their new factory and Asia R&D headquarters. We could realize a smart production, including machines and software. We are very honored to participate in the whole journey of this great development. As a high-end, customized home furnishing brand, Raumplus constantly strives for product quality perfection and stability. During our cooperation, we were able to deliver high standard performance according to the precise production requirements. Built on years of industry expertise and teamwork, our Schuler Consulting team provided professional consulting and factory planning. HOMAG China delivered a full set of customized equipment and software, which ensures continued operation up to 3 shifts a day and maximize product quality and throughput. This smart value chain throughout all the processes connects data and equipment seamlessly. Together, we could realize an Industry 4.0 production which is a benchmark in the furniture industry.